Hey everyone, welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Today we've got a seasoned tale from one of our brave listeners. Let's call him Mark. Age 36, Mark was honored to give the toast at his ex-friend's wedding. But nerves got the best of him. Instead of a sweet anecdote, he blurted out, "Remember all those times you were picking up girls at bars?" Oops, the bride started crying. Chaos ensued, and now Mark's friendship is hanging by a thread. Yikes!
First off, Mark, take a breath.
You're human. Anyone who ever put a mic in front of them knows the heart can start drumming a crazy beat. Public speaking anxiety is real. Studies show up to 75% of people feel it. When your fight or flight kicks in, all of your brain can go off script. So here's the good news. You can recover from this. Step 1. Self-forgiveness. Beating yourself up won't help. Research in positive psychology tells us that self-compassion boosts resilience. Talk to yourself like you would to a close friend. It was a mistake. I can learn from this. That inner kindness will calm your mind. Next, apologize with humility and specificity. Don't send a generic "sorry if you were hurt." Instead, say, "I'm truly sorry for mentioning your past like that. I didn't think it through, and I heard you." A focused apology shows you reflected. Give your friends space and let your sincerity shine. It may take time, but genuine remorse can thaw even the iciest glass. Now, let's talk about repair beyond words. A small gesture, a handwritten letter, a thoughtful book on friendship, or even offering to help plan his 37th birthday surprise can show you care. In social psychology, this is called moral recommitment. You're signaling, "I value you, and I'm willing to rebuild." Meanwhile, sharpen those public speaking skills. Practice short toasts in front of a mirror or trust a friend. Focus on 1 or 2 warm stories. Keep it under 2 minutes. And always think, will my words bring tears of joy? Not sorrow. That little filter can be your best friend next time. Mark, your friendship is a garden. Right now it's bruised, maybe a little wilted. But with water, light, and steady care, it can grow back greener than ever. And listeners, take note, we all stumble. It's not the fall that defines us, it's the get up. So to anyone out there whose face planted in public, remember, mistakes are messy, but they are also steps on the path to wisdom. On your slip up, learn, and keep moving forward. That's how you turn an embarrassing failure into a triumphant comeback. That's all the time we have today on Anthony Knows. Keep your stories coming, because here, you're always heard, never judged. Until next time, this is Anthony reminding you, your story matters, mistakes and all.